Shit. These girls are looking for a car to buy. Seems like they found one.
You know what? I saw this really cute car the other day in T-Bow, and it was totally matched, like the
Hello,
silver
ladies.
car. Hi.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, we're actually trying to look for a car right now. This girl just got her paycheck, and so looking to spend some money.
Well, we just got this brand new Mercedes in.
I love Mercedes.
Yeah, you know what? It's $400,000 and 5% interest if you get a loan here.
Only? Really?
Yeah. You'd have to pay it back in 4 years, so that's our policy.
So we can use the compound interest formula for that. To figure it out? Yeah, 8 per, right?
Yeah, A per. You guys are so intelligent. Where'd you learn that, Miss Krein's class?
Oh my god, I have this kind of little academy.
She's such a great teacher.
Oh my god, the muffins though, like that is off the hook.
You missed it. We finally bought the car. We bought our Mercedes for $400,000. But the problem is, well, it's not really a problem, but we have to sell it in 4 years after college because we need enough money to buy an apartment. How will we figure it out?
I know what we can do. We can do exponential decay to figure it out.
Perfect. Let's go figure it out.
Thank God for junior math class with Miss Krein. She was awesome.
God, the muffins.
And she's going to show us how we can figure out our car's worth after 6 years.
Alright, well we have to use exponential decay to figure out what our car is going to cost in 6 years. So the equation we're going to use is B equals 1 plus R, where R is the annual rate of decrease. So the problem we want to start with is final value minus initial value over initial value. Now to get our final value, we have to look at this, and in 1 year, our $400,000 car is going to go down around $3,000. So with that in mind, that comes to $397,000 minus the initial the initial value of our car, $400,000 over $400,000, which leads to R, which equals negative 0.0075. So we're going to plug that back into the first problem, and that's going to be B equaling 1 plus negative 0.0075. And B comes out to 0.9925 down to here. And for this problem, we're going to let X equal the number of years and Y equal the value of the car. And this is our problem, Y equals AB to the X. Okay, so then 400,000 is going to equal A times 0.9925. And to solve for A, we're going to do 400,000 is equal to A. So we're going to plug all this information down here, and we're going to evaluate for X equaling 6, because that's the number of years that we want to know. So $400,000 times 0.9925 to the power of 6. And when we solve all that, we get A to equal $382,334. And that is our final answer for what our car is going to be worth in 6 years.
See, you use math every day, so I hope you learned something important and you can apply this to your everyday life.
This is Maya, and she's going to show you how much over 4 years your car would gain interest.
So we bought a car for $400,000. The nice dealer told us that we had 5% interest rate. And since I have to pay back the loan in 4 years because that's their policy, I want to figure out how much I'm going to need to pay back. So there is this one formula I learned in Miss Krein's class that's really helped me in my everyday life. It's called the continuously compounded interest formula. Basically, A per. The way this works is basically, so P stands for principal. R stands for rate. And T stands for time. So our principal is the price of our car, which is initially $400,000. The rate of the car is 5%, but when plugging it in to solve the problem, you have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So that would come out to, and the time equals 4 years. Now let's apply. So, $400,000 times E to the 0.05 multiplied by 4. Don't forget to put that in parentheses, not separate parentheses, because if you do that, you'll get a different solution. Now, let's go type it into our calculator. So we're plugging it into our calculator. So $400,000 to E, which is that little button right there. Don't forget to press second, to the 0.05, which is rate, times the time. So that would equal $488,561,000. And that's how you figure it out. Don't forget, A PERT. Isn't Miss Krein great?
From my grades to my lines, you can't touch Kevin G. I'm a mathlete, so nerd.